Want to know how to disable voice in Game of Thrones? So if you want to disable or mute your character's voice throughout the game or throughout the level in Game of Thrones KingsRoad, this video is for you. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, simply open up your Game of Thrones KingsRoad game right here. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. And once you're under this interface, on the bottom right side, you should be settings under this gear icon. So you can just simply select it. So once you select settings right here you should be seeing various options. So right here you can see audio, that should be right below video. Just simply select it. Now once you have selected audio, here you should be seeing master volume, SFX volume, and much more. And right below SFX you should be seeing voice volume. So simply select it, uncheck it or check it just like this right here. So checking it will just simply mute it, or you can just simply use the slider just like this right here to slide it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily disable your voice or change your voice volume in Game of Thrones. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.